Good morning, my dear students of class 3rd C. Today, we are going to start with our lesson 20, simple past tense. In the previous lesson, we did present continuous tense. Now, in that lesson, I told you that in English, we have three tenses: past, present, and future. And then further, we have different types of those tenses. Understood? We have, but what you have to remember is we have three tenses: simple past, past, present, and future. Past is the whatever time that has gone, okay, that is gone. And present is the present time, जो अभी हो रहा है या होता है, that is present. And future is the one which is going to come, जो अभी हुआ नहीं है, जो आने वाला है. Future is that. Understood? So today in simple past tense lesson we will understand when do we use simple past tense and what is simple past tense. Look at these sentences. Now first, the teacher asked me a difficult question. Second, I gave the correct answer. Third, the teacher felt happy. Now in this sentence, you can see these highlighted words: asked, gave, felt. Now these words printed in bold letters. Now these are all verb. We have done verb. Now what are verb? Verb is a action word. Okay, in English it is the action word. Whatever happening or whatever being done by a noun, जो कुछ कर रहा है, that is verb. या जो भी कुछ हो रहा है, that is verb. Okay, so the teacher asked. Now this is the verb. Okay, this is being carried by the teacher. Now teacher is doing this verb. ये action कौन कर रहा है? Teacher कर रहा है. Okay, so the teacher asked me a difficult question. Now I is a noun here. I gave the correct answer. What is the verb here? Gave. The teacher felt happy. The teacher felt happy. Now these verbs are in simple past tense. These verbs are in simple past tense. Which tense? Simple past tense. Now we'll learn what is simple past tense. Now first of all, in simple past tense you might have heard in English that sometimes we use some verbs. जैसे कोई वर्ब होता है उसमें ईडी नहीं होता है, किसी वर्ब्स में एस होता है, किसी वर्ब में एस नहीं होता. This will be clear to you through tense. This you will only understand when you properly understand the tense. Okay, so which in the simple past tense we use the past form of verb. Yes, obviously we use the past form of verb. Now I made you to write few definition. Now this is a definition. Simple past tense, now not definition, it is not actually a definition, but it tells that when do we use it. Now simple past tense is used to express about the action verb that took place in the past and is complete, okay, and is completed or finished, which is not going on, which is not going to happen. Understood? We did present continuous. उसमें क्या था? उसमें था present में वो हो रहा है, ठीक है, continuously हो रहा है. But in simple past tense इसमें क्या है? इसमें है whatever action it has completed, वो हो चुका है. Understood? It has completed. और वो क्या बन गया है? In हिंदी which you call it भूतकाल बोलते हो आप जिसको. In हिंदी you call it भूतकाल, जो हो चुका है. ठीक है, भूतकाल जो हो चुका है, past जो ऑलरेडी हो चुका है, एंड इज कंप्लीट. नहीं हो रहा है, ऐसा नहीं है कि वो हो रहा है, बट इट इज कंप्लीट. ओके, बट इट इज कंप्लीट. दैट इज व्हेन वी यूज, दैट इज द टाइम व्हेन वी यूज सिंपल पास्ट टेंस. We use the past form of the verb. We have done this. Now I have written here present and past. Now bring is present. Okay, bring is present. The past form of this verb bring will be brought. Okay, she brought me a nice dress. That means वो past में लेके आ चुकी थी, वो खत्म हो गया है. That is completed. That verb, that action is completed. That is finished. Give, gave. Understood? I gave the test of English yesterday. Now yesterday is finished. Understood? Yesterday कल हो चुका है, ये कल हो चुका वाला कल yesterday, आने वाला कल होगा tomorrow. Many children make this mistakes yesterday and tomorrow. Yesterday is जो बीत गया है, okay? Yesterday is जो हो चुका है. Tomorrow will be coming tomorrow. I gave the test of English. I gave the English test yesterday, or yesterday I gave English test. Understood? That means मैं दे के ख़त्म कर चुका हूँ. I've given and it's completely finished. Means it's completed. Then ask, asked. We read in the example ask, asked. So we use this simple past tense to express those action which has been done, not which has been done, which is completed. Okay, which is completed. Okay, which is completed, and it took place in past time. I hope you are understanding. Now, what you have to do, you have to just use the past form of the verb. Now, in most of the cases, the verb, there we put ed or d. Okay, there we put ed or d. Understood? To change it into past form. For example, reach, this is in present. If you put ed, then it becomes reached, that is past. Work, worked. Talk, talked. Okay, most of the verb. Understood? But in some other cases, we have to learn the past tense of the verb. You don't have any other option. आपके पास और कोई option नहीं है other than learning these past form. Understood? Give, gave, feel, felt, sing, sang, sent, sent. Many are there. Then sink, डूब जाना, sink, sang. Okay, sing, sang, I have given. Drink, drank. Understood? Then many are there. Tell, told. Sell, sold. Understood? Call, called. That is ed. Call, call. Okay, call, and इसका called ही हो जाएगा. Past will be called. Okay. So we have to learn the simple past tense of these kinds of words जिनके हम actually change करते हैं. Give, gave, feel, felt, sing, sang. You have to learn it properly. And rest, you should put ed. Okay, rest we put ed and make it and change it into past tense. Now, which exercises you will do? Exercise B you will do in the copy. Okay, and exercise C, this one in page 53, you will do in the copy. Now first 2, 3 I am doing for you. Now what you have to do, fill in the blanks with simple past tense of the verb given in the brackets. Now this is the verb. We have to fill the blank. Okay, and these sentences are in past form, simple past obviously. So we dash the picnic very much. Now we have to use the past tense of this verb, so it will be enjoyed. We enjoyed the picnic very much. Mother dashed the flask with fresh drinking water. Now the verb is fill, so it will be mother filled the flask with fresh drinking water. Now the children dashed the zoo last week. Now the verb is visit. The children visited. The children visited the zoo last week. I hope this is clear. Now coming to exercise C. Now here also fill in the blanks with simple past tense of the verb given in the bracket. Now here are the clues given here. Okay, so I dash the answers in my notebook. Now from this clue, write, the past form of write will be wrote. Okay, so you will write here wrote. I wrote the answers in my notebook. Coming to second, my parents dash me a beautiful watch on my birthday, and the verb is give. Verb is give. I've told you the past form of give will be gave. Okay, then my parents gave me a beautiful watch on my birthday. This way you will do the exercises. Okay, I hope you have understood. Still any doubt arises, you can ask me. Thank you so much, children.